So all these bikes gotta fit inside the van. And we have 2 racks for the outside, so 4 needs to fit inside.
Perfect for the fat in me.
Like, I guess if you're going uphill, it'll help you out.
Yeah, but
Are there any uphills though?
yeah.
There's uphills on that track?
Yeah, I'm gonna drop you guys uphill and then I'm just gonna meet you going up. And then, so I'm just gonna drop you guys all the way to the top.
We have
Park?
a pass. We have a park pass.
Go to the park, Lake Mead. No, we're not going inside. Okay.
Alright, so I'm gonna keep on getting ready here. The kids ready. Okay, watch out. Voila! Alright, Natalie. Natalie's ready. Krista's ready. Alright. Okay, we're just waiting for mommy now. Okay. Here's my bag. Alright, we should bring this. That's the one you got? Where'd you get it from? These are designed for like BMX where you just crumple them in there. You know what I mean? Like with smaller wheels.
Walmart.
Alright, almost done, huh?
We're like 30 minutes, dude.
It's like every time we go out to bike, it's like we gotta figure out how to bring out the bikes. I guess Tristan can ride with Michael, right? But Tristan, I think you need to buy new pants because I can tell their pants are short.
Oh, this is the new style, though.
Really? Hell no.
Just perfect.
It doesn't look right. No, because it has to look like it can reach all the way to the ground.
Pikachu!
Yeah, this is way better, dude. Not done with my coffee yet.
You're good. That thing was like what? That thing was like $80.
$8 for that thing? See what I'm saying? When you buy junk, you're just wasting your money, dude.
I remember this thing when you bought that. It was still within months. Then I bought this.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Natalie.
Which car should I get in?
This one. Only one space there, Natalie. See? Why is Tristan wearing my hat?
That's good.
It's too big for him.
I'm gonna share it right now to the chat so you can get it.
Yeah, the coordinates, right? So when you press it, it'll take us there, right?
There you go. Yeah.
Okay.
There you go.
Tristan, you ready?
Uncle Muckmug,
You ready?
look at Tristan. He's moving his hat. Look.
Tristan, you gotta make your hat tighter, Tristan. It's too loose. Dude, that's my hat. All right, let's go.
And the hats.
Get out of the door.
You got water, Daddy?
Yeah. So we're going to that parking lot right there. So Natalie's sitting right beside Daddy. Yay! City. Oh, look at this. A big bike. That big bike. Parking over here. Yeah, look at that. There's a camper there. See, they're gonna live here. They're gonna be camping over here, huh? We forgot the kids' helmets, so we're gonna buy some helmets here that they can use. Huh, mommy? Alright, here we go. We're gonna buy some helmets. Alright, we got ourselves some Fox Troy Lee designed helmets. There we go. Alright, hold on. There, see? Okay, that it? That's it? Let me see. Okay. All right. Ready, Tristan? Okay, come on. Come on, Natalie. So this is the starting point. Okay, so restroom. All right, let's go. Slow down. Use your brakes. All right. Go ahead, follow mommy, Tristan. Okay, we're gonna be going around and then going to the left side. Okay, follow mommy. So here's the bike statue. Tristan, is your brakes working? Tristan, you'll need your brakes, okay? Make sure your brake is working, Tristan. Tristan, make sure your brakes are working. Don't use your feet. What's wrong with your brakes? Use your brakes, Tristan. Use your brakes. Okay, stop right here. Stop right here. Okay, hold on. Okay, let me see your brakes. This is so hard. So you're having a hard time going like this? That's your brakes, Tristan. See, look, you have to use it all the way to the end right here, as much as possible with 2 fingers or 3. Use 3 fingers like that, and then you try to pull it. Here, look, Tristan, look. The more farther down you go down right here, the more leverage you have. That's why you want to put the pressure at the very end of the lever, okay?
But the faster I go, the weaker it gets, and then soon it doesn't even work.
That's why you have to always be ready to brake like this, okay? Hold it. So what's going on is Tristan's bike's brakes don't work that good, and it doesn't slow him down barely because his fingers are not strong enough for the brake calipers, so it's hard for him to brake, and then he just keeps going faster and faster. It's kind of dangerous. You can't slow down, so he ends up just walking the bike. Tristan, what about you just ride down with your feet? Just walk it like that, there, like that. Just go like that, like that. Press your brakes too. And then when it becomes flat, then you can pedal. Okay? There we go. So Uncle Mok Mok is trying to see what he can do to fix the brakes. So I'm gonna find a better brake system for Tristan's bike. I'm thinking it's the brake pads.
The brake pads, you have to adjust it at the bottom. Because even if you hold it like here, it doesn't have enough strength to tighten it.
It's just a bad brake system or something. Okay, go ahead. Follow Uncle Mok Mok. So you just try to coast right here. Just coast. And then you try to use your brakes to slow down later. So your fingers will be rested. You can brake harder. See, like that. See, we're flat right now. Just go. Just keep on going. Like that. See. See, your brakes work a little bit, right? What's going on? I think it's this way, so you need to be slow right here, Tristan. Okay, come on. See right here? This is good for skateboarding. It's like a half pipe. See? Yeah, that's cool. It's like a half pipe. See, they're over there. Tired?
We're not even there. Still a long way. Still just 30 minutes, going to be an hour.
Okay. Getting tired? Look at that, there's rams over there. Whoa, rams! No, because he keeps getting fast. He keeps going faster and faster, and then his hands, he's always pressing on the brakes. He would get tired. Look at that, dude.
They're wild. All of them are wild. We just happen to be here.
So these are wild rams, huh? Understand?
I
Yeah.
remember when I was a little kid.
Yeah.
I wanted to be able to touch the ground.
He balances by sitting down, right?
Maybe you can ride this one.
I think you can.
Maybe that one. Tristan, try mommy's, Tristan. Use the brakes. Use the brakes, Tristan. There you go. Okay. Okay, there we go. Like that. Is that good? Like that. See that? So that's why use the brakes to slow down, so you don't have to go faster, Tristan.
When you go down,
So this one's the first?
No, this is front brakes. That's rear brakes. See?
This is for the back.
That's for the back brake. This is for the front brakes. Yeah. So for you to so you know when you're going. Okay, go ahead. When you're going. When you're going, you don't have to pedal for Tristan. Just put your back, just put your feet free, and then just coast. It's too high, huh? Put your bike down, and then so Natalie can try that one. See what happens. Okay, Natalie, go see how his brake feels and see how you can handle it. Okay. So when you're going downhill, Natalie, remember. The ultimate way to stop is, you know, if you can't use the brake, use your feet, okay? Okay, just slow down, okay? Can you use the brakes? All right, new battery. You okay, Tristan? How is it, Natalie? You're gonna mess up your shoe. Come on, Tristan, go ahead. So Tristan, are you easier braking with that one? Okay.
Pad on one.
Okay, this downhill right here, Natalie, be careful.
Yeah, but it's downhill. You don't have. But the thing down there is gonna go uphill.
See, that's going uphill there, so as long as you can balance and slow down as it goes uphill. Red cactus. What's wrong? So we're walking the bikes uphill so we won't get too tired, and then it'll be downhill for a long time after this one. So that is the marina, Lake Mead. Watch the level. That's the marina right there. Slow down, okay, Tristan? Slow down, Tristan. Okay, so that way is where the old train track is, and there's like tunnels that has views of the Lake Mead. All right, we're entering. Go ahead, Natalie. Go ahead. Ay, ay, ay. Can't bring her back to the dam. Damn.
Whoa, look at that. Some burritos there? Yeah, sandwiches.
Don't give him all of it. Thank you.
I have like 4 more over there.
We'll take one first.
I have like 4 more over here. Bam! Here, have one. Are you saving your stomach for the party or something?
Heck yeah, dude. You know, Filipino party has the good stuff in there, dude. You're right.
Well, this is Tristan's sandwich number 2. Well, technically this is 3 and 4. There's no more, Natalie. That's it. It's good, Natalie, because when we get home, we have leftover fried chicken. Your favorite. Wow, dude.
Fried chicken.
Here. Look at the track. Hi, Natalie. You having fun? Yeah, those are all mommy's clothes Natalie's wearing, huh?
See, it's good.
There's even mommy's helmet, Natalie.
And glasses, everything.
Mommy's pants and jacket, huh?
I was so close to sending all those clothes to her.
Tristan, see? Now we're relaxing, right? Feels so good. Tristan? to go back. Hold on. Here's a downhill trail. I guess they put that in for a little extra safety if it collapses on the end. Let's go, Natalie. Okay, position yourselves. Okay, we are passing by historic downtown Boulder City. Wanna go eat at a diner? Eat a diner? Southwest Diner. Yum, yum, yum. Home of Hoover Dam. Going there. So I got more over downtown. Classic downtown rock. Historic downtown. I don't remember this park right here. I'm supposed to start there. Somebody's getting towed right there. This place right here.
Because I want to get another marble.
Yeah.
For everywhere we go.
You guys wanna walk around and if we get
Oh no, Natalie, I want to go.
I want to get a
Mommy, I want to
marble.
go home now, Natalie. There we go.
Daddy,
Right.
you know what I'm making?
Just making lemonade, see? Thai iced tea. Have a little sip, okay?
little.
That's for mommy, okay? Don't
No,
finish
it's not
it.
that. I don't want you guys to get
Okay.
we can all share.
Yummy? Try Tristan.
It tastes weird once it's in your mouth for a while.
You'll get used to it. It's really yummy. There we go. Ooh, fancy you. Look at that. Alright. So here's our rice. Okay. So here goes the gai cow, fancy beef, chicken, Penang curry.
Okay, have some time to you guys.
Thank you. Oh yeah. everything kids. Natalie Yummy. Yeah, finish those guys. You have to go.